Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Google account by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to enable 2FA for your account. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email address and password. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your Google account. You can find this option in the left-hand menu or by clicking on Security in the main dashboard. Step 3. Find two-step verification. In the security settings, scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Look for the two-step verification option and click on it to start the setup process. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click the Get Started button. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the setup. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, such as via text message or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, and make sure to save backup codes in case you lose access to your primary method. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication for your Google account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your verification methods secure and updated.